If you honestly want to make money on the internet, you need to have a digital product, period. And there is no two ways about it. But the question is this: what type of digital product you need to create in order for you to sell and to make the type of money you want to make? Now, before we even talk about digital products, I want to talk to you about a very important part of this whole thing. A platform called Systemio.io is the easiest all-in-one marketing platform. This platform is literally what you need to start your digital marketing journey. So I get a lot of questions when it comes to this particular platform. And when people ask about this platform, Systemio.io and all that, now most people are aware that if you want to use the platform or even just make money online on the internet, you need some key stuff. First thing, you want to create a digital product, you need to create something like an ebook, right? Or you can go for a software. Nowadays, with no-code tools, you'll be able to create software for yourself. Another thing is you want to create an online course, or you go for a coaching stuff where you coach people and you show them what to do. Everything here is a digital product. Now, creating this whole thing involves some certain steps, and that is where System.io comes. Now, before even we involve System.io, we need to look at some of the steps that are required. You need to be able to do research, right? Don't mind my spellings. You need to be able to do research. You need to be able to create the platform. You need to be able to create the product you want to sell. You need to be able to market this particular product. Not only market the product, you also need to sell the product. You want to host the product. You want to have a community. There are a lot of things that are required when it comes to creating and selling digital products on the internet. Once again, and that is the major reason why you need a platform like System.io. But again, it just occurred to me that not everybody understands what I'm talking about. Some of you guys might be watching and this is your first time of hearing about System.io. So before you start your online digital product business, you need to understand this about System.io. For some of you that are new, the platform is an all-in-one platform designed for entrepreneurs. Very important, right? Entrepreneurs who have small businesses, you want to start your online business. This platform gives you everything you need, including creating of sales funnels, managing your email campaign, hosting your online courses, running your webinar, managing membership site. It's so effective and very important. And not only that, also launching your affiliate marketing programs. Everything will be done in one place. That is why I love the platform. So this is one of the questions that most people ask about. The next thing you need to know about this platform before you start creating anything with it is that you want to know if it is something that you can use as a beginner. Is it user friendly? Right? Is this something that you can use? The question is yes, absolutely. The platform is so simple and mind-blowing at the same time to use. This is the easiest platform that you can use when it comes to doing anything at all. So easy. When you go to the dashboard, you notice that you have main dashboard, affiliate dashboard, and student dashboard. So easy. You now see CRM, you have contact, tag, pipeline, and calendar. If you are new to this stuff, it will look overwhelming. Trust me, once you start, it's so easy. You go on site here, you will see the blog, you will see the sales funnels, and you will see digital store. Everything is well aligned and easy when you are navigating the platform for the first time. So, user friendly. It's a go for System.io platform. The next thing that people ask is, can I try it for free? Now, one important thing about this platform is that you have a lot of platforms out there that before you try it, you have to pay. This platform gives you free plan, and the free plan is forever. The good news about the free plan is that the free plan even allow you to do a lot of things. You can create a sales funnel in the free plan. You can have your email marketing working on the free plan. You can host a course on that same free plan. You can literally sell your ebook, cash out, do everything that you can do on the free plan. And I think System.io is the only platform that has this type of free plan package. No any other platform on the market. So that is why before you jump on it, it's so important for you to know, or you want to jump on other platforms. I think this should be a reason for starting out with the platform, because it allows you to test the water to see if it is something you want to go for. The next thing is, does System.io support affiliate marketing? 100%. Oh yeah. You can have your own affiliate marketing platform here, right? It's all inbuilt for you when you sign up to the platform. It allows you to create and track and manage affiliates, everybody that's going to be selling things for you. Now, if you don't know what affiliate means, affiliate is when people are promoting your own product, right? You have a product you are selling, for some amount of money and people will promote it for you. When they promote it for you, they make some amount of it, some percentage, while you also make the bulk of it. And that's what affiliate marketing is all about. So System.io allows you to create your own affiliate marketing for your own digital products so that people can promote you. Give them a link, they can promote it on your behalf, and you can be able to give them their share from the platform, and you also make your own money from it. The platform handles all that for you. The next thing is, what is the difference between upselling and cross-selling strategies? Now, System.io promote this particular marketing strategy that is so effective, especially if you have multiple digital products. Let's say you have an ebook, and not only an ebook, you also have a course along the line. You will be able to, you sell your major core products, then you also upsell people, right? And you also cross-sell them. And now let me explain what it means. Now, cross-selling encourages customers to buy related products, right? There are other products that the customer might want to go for that is ideal for the customer. So far, the customer bought something. So usually these are complementary products. Whereas when it comes to upselling is a higher strategy that allow customers to actually buy a comparable high-end product. Let's say they get an ebook from you. The natural upsell from the ebook after the ebook will be your course, because your ebook will give them step-by-step guideline, but your course will show them everything that they need to do visually. Then another upsell will not be your coaching, right? You cannot upsell them your coaching package. So that is the difference between upselling and also cross-selling. Cross-selling are related products is the natural next product that is ideal after somebody buys the first level of the product. So before you know whether this System.io is the right thing for you, you need to also understand the different things that are available in the market, right? Because you want to know what makes System.io different from other platforms. There are platforms that you can think of, major competitors like ClickFunnels. There's no free version of ClickFunnels, right? It starts at $24 and you have $79, and at the $79, that is where you have what you have with System.io. Even the $24 does not contain all what you have for free here. Then you have another platform called Kajabi. Kajabi also is a very good platform too, but not compared to System.io at all, because System.io eliminates the need for you to have to subscribe to multiple platforms. Now, if you are using ClickFunnels, you need to subscribe to email marketing separately. This one is mainly for hosting costs. It does not market your product for you. You don't create landing page with it. But on System.io, you have almost everything in one place. So you just pay for one subscription. You have marketing done for you. You have landing page, you have website, you have forums, you have affiliate marketing. You have a lot of stuff that you can have on System.io as a platform. That is why I always ask beginners to go for this, right? When you're starting, go for it. Before you outgrow System.io, you must have been doing a lot of numbers, like millions every month. So the next thing here, before you subscribe or continue to use System.io, or why you should not even leave the platform, you can create and sell online course with System.io. Yes, online course is one of the major things, especially now with the rise of AI and all this stuff. There are a lot of information out there that people will be lost. People will be finding it difficult to do things and understand how things are happening. So the best option you want to go for is you want to have an online course that explains everything for you exactly how it is. And System.io will be the best platform to host and design your online course, right? You can design your course pages, you can upload your content on it directly, or just use link from YouTube on the System.io platform, and it will show all your videos. And also you can also have a membership access where people who subscribe monthly can have access to it, or once they pay, you just give them access to the membership and they're having access to your course and they can interact with other people. This is fantastic aspect of the platform. Another thing about System.io is email marketing. So how does System.io handle email marketing? Since we said you can sell, you can market, you can create, you can do all that. Now System.io includes a robust email marketing platform feature that allow you to literally build your own email list, right? By collecting it from an opt-in page and automatically sequencing all these email and sending email messages to your subscribers after they opt into your package. Let's say you have a lead magnet, right? Something valuable that people can use to check out about your offering in the future, something useful to them. Once they get that, they begin to get email. System.io is able to help you organize this with the email marketing feature. Then you also have segmentation of the audience, right? You can tag audience, you can have a different campaign, different tags based on who the audience are, and you can send them email based on that. And this will help you optimize your result because you are able to segment them and separate people that are on your email list. This platform is wonderful if you are a coach, if you're an expert, if you have something of value, especially coach, yes, expert and career people who are switching from your normal career into digital product creation and selling. You need this particular platform. Can I integrate System.io with other tools? Of course you can. You can integrate it with other tools. One of the major tools you can use to integrate System.io is this tool here called Zapier. Zapier is one of the top tools, right? You can also integrate it to your payment plan. This is Stripe. You can use PayPal as well. And also you can use other tools. If you're in Nigeria or other parts of Africa, you can use tools like Flutterwave and other local payment gateways. They are all allowed, right? It allows you to do all that so that you can collect money from people who are buying, from customers who are patronizing you. The next thing is, which sales techniques? Should I use upsell? Should I use downsell? Should I use cross-sell? If you are using the platform System.io, you will see all these options. So what you would do is you need to understand the different techniques and what fits into the kind of products you are selling, right? Different scenario with different type of customers and also with different type of products. So I always recommend to use these different techniques, not all at once, but at different scenario. Like I explained initially, if you have an ebook that you are selling, your natural thing will be have an upsell of a course or of a coaching program or of a done for you package. That is an upsell. A cross sale is if you have an ebook, you can also ask them also to go for the course so that when they are reading the ebook, they have a course. Or if you have an audio podcast with, or if you have a video, or if you have a template, you can give them an ebook and say there's a template that you can use to implement this particular ebook. Because if you are just going by ebook alone, you might not be able to implement it, even if you have the information. Then you have downsell is if you are telling somebody to go for coaching program and the coaching program is too expensive for the person, you can tell him, okay, go for my course because the course will be less expensive. That is a downsell. So you use these strategies in different scenarios. I have some video about this. If you're interested, just comment below. I will just look for the video and tag it there so that you can learn from that. Right here, you can see these are the top 10 questions that most people always ask when it comes to System.io, especially before you use the platform for digital product. This is where you need to understand how it works. If all these 10 things are not in the light or in the realm of what you are looking for, then you don't need System.io. Period. You don't even need it. If what you are looking for is not part of these 10 things, forget it. Go and look for other platform. But if it is part of it, then go for the platform. Now, I would like to let you know that something is coming up. I've been able to finish my product creation software that I've been working on behind the scenes. This software will be able to allow you to literally create your own digital products on the go. So we have different stages of production where you can have the learn, where you do your research. The software literally helps you to do all your research, tell you about the product, or everything about it, the region where you have a lot of interest, your opportunities that are available for you in the market, the weakness of the product that you're about to create, do some research, tell you about Twitter insights, Reddit. Everything you need, guys, is here. Then give you your insight about the audience, people who are most likely to buy from you. Their demography will tell you what their demography is, and everything here tell you their interests, tell you their behavior, what is driving them. You have your value proposition. Everything here will be outlined for you. This is the research stage of the product. Then also the product will help you do research about how much you should sell your product, what your competitors are selling, the type of product that you are going for, and give you recommendation of how much you should price your own product. You can see, and also a lot of stuff. A lot will do. You have a calculation tool here that can calculate if you are selling your product for $29, how much it is within the next 3 months, how much you can generate realistically, and if you want to optimize and all that. Everything is here, right? This tool is fantastic. This tool will be going out by the end of this month, at most next month. So we have everything here completed. After this, it will also take you to the next stage. Once you are done with the research stage, you go to the next stage. The next stage is the stage where you get to create your digital product, right? You can see here we have everything, different type of digital products. You can create a complete ebook with this platform, like from beginning to the end. Everything you need in an ebook, the framework, the teaching. This is a machine that you can use to create unlimited ebooks for your products, and you can start selling them right away. Now, not only ebook, you can be able to also create your online courses, right? It will give you all the outline for every course, everything you need about your course, the welcome, the foundation of the course, the core modules, all the various modules of your course, give you all the whole outline, right? Not only that, there are a lot of things you can create with this particular tool. Right here, you can create a podcast outline. You can also create your coaching outline, everything that you know you need to do. You can create your lead magnets here. Complete lead magnets from beginning to the end can be created. Then you have the launch, where you can actually launch, and every other stage. So if you know this is something you like, I'll leave a link below. Go and join my early birds, people who are going to be the first users of this product to start to create something massive. I've already tested it, it's crazy, and I will show you guys some of the results I'm getting in subsequent videos, how some of the product I'm creating is already making sales, and people are literally saying, wow, how do you do this? How do you do this? So I will walk you through that. So guys, that is all about system.io and how to create. All you need to do is to use my tool, create your product, take it to system.io and sell the product and start to make huge amount of money. Click the next video so that you can watch step by step on how to create your own digital products. Just in case you don't want to use my tool, you want to do it yourself, I have a video for you. Go and watch it. It's a 1 hour video. Watch everything and you will know how to create it by yourself, and you can start making money with that. See you in the next one.